Hello friends. Now here we have x raised to 1 upon 2 is equal to 16. You can pause here and try it for yourself. Let's begin. First we will raise 1 upon 2 at both the sides. So we have x raised to 1 upon 2 whole raised to 1 upon 2 is equal to 16 raised to 1 upon 2. Let's refer this rule. If a raised to b whole raised to c, then we can write like this: a raised to b into c, and also write like this: a raised to c whole raised to b. Here you can see x raised to 1 upon 2 is b and 1 upon 2 is c. So the equation will be x raised to 1 upon 2 whole raised to x raised to 1 upon 2 is equal to 16 raised to 1 upon 2. Now 16 raised to 1 upon 2 is square root 16 is equal to plus or minus 4. So here we can write x raised to 1 upon 2 whole raised to x raised to 1 upon 2 is equal to plus or minus 4. X raised to 1 upon 2 whole raised to x raised to 1 upon 2 is equal to 4, and x raised to 1 upon 2 whole raised to x raised to 1 upon 2 is equal to minus 4. Here we can write is equal to 2 square. We have same base and exponent here at both the sides. Now here we can write, let's put this minus 4 in bracket. So here we can write x raised to 1 upon 2 whole raised to x raised to 1 upon 2 is equal to minus 1 into 4. Let's try to get same base and exponent here. Is equal to square root minus 1 into 2 whole square. Square root minus 1 is iota. So x raised to 1 upon 2 whole raised to x raised to 1 upon 2 is equal to iota into 2 whole square. So here base and exponent are not same. Also iota is imaginary number. So we will discontinue this path, and what we have so far is x raised to 1 upon 2 whole raised to x raised to 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 square. So we can equate x raised to 1 upon 2 is equal to 2, squaring both the sides. So we have x raised to 1 upon 2 into 2 is equal to 2 square. This 2 will be cancelled. So we have x is equal to 4 is the answer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye.